Good morning, guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the venue as well as sports events which will be conducted in forthcoming years. And because of Corona, we have got few delayed. Don't worry, whatever the venues like sports and whatever the trophies we have, this will be asked. One question will be asked in exams. So please go through whatever has been given. If we discuss about the Olympics, initially we have summer as well as winter. In the case of summer Olympics, 32nd Summer Olympics, that will be held in 2021, and that should be in Tokyo in Japan. Before it was 2020, because of this corona situation, it has been procrastinated to 2021. We have to see when it will be succeeded. Again, we will have the Summer Olympics. If we take 2024 Olympics of summer, that has to be in France, that is in Paris. So we have to check whether it will be in the same day or it will be any delay. We have to check in future, but at present we have Japan as well as followed by the France. If we take the winter, that is Olympics of 2022, that will be held in China, that is in Beijing. As you can see to the right side, the date has been given from the 4th to 20th of February 2022. In China, we have Winter Olympics. When it comes to the 14th South Asian Games of 2021, that will be held in Pakistan. So this is what exactly we have. So 14th South Asian Games of 2021, that we have in Pakistan. Next, if we see the 19th Asian Games of 2022, that will be held in China. The place is known as Hangzhou. There it will be hosted Asian Games of 2022. As you can see to the right side how exactly the Asian Games of 2022 looks like. So 19th Asian Games of 2022 will be held in China, that is Hangzhou. If we come to the FIFA, I want you guys to comment me in the section what exactly the abbreviation of FIFA. So FIFA 22nd FIFA Football World Cup, it is 2022. That will be held in Qatar. As you can see in the figure of 8, you will find how exactly the stadium as well as here whatever the FIFA World Cup will be hosted in the place, that is Qatar. So this is the stadium where it will be hosted. When it comes to the Women's World Cup, FIFA's 2022-23 Women's World Cup will be hosted in Australia as well as New Zealand. You can see how exactly that will be hosted together. Next we have the FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup of 2022. That will be hosted by the India. This privilege has been given to India for the Under-17 Women's World Cup of 2022. When it comes to the Commonwealth Games of 22nd 2022, that will be hosted in the United Kingdom, that is Birmingham. So these Commonwealth Games will be, so in UK 22nd Commonwealth Games will be hosted. When it comes to the boxing, so World Championship of Men's, that boxing championship will be held in 2021 by Serbia. So you can see how exactly in 2023 if we take, that will be in Uzbekistan, that is the capital is Tashkent. So there it will be hosted in 2023. So 21 that is in Serbia and 23 will be in Tashkent, that is in Uzbekistan. If we take the hockey, we knew that Indian's national game is hockey. So Men's Hockey World Cup of 2023, that will be hosted in which place? I want you guys to comment. This Hockey Men's World Cup of 2023, as you can see to the right side how exactly it looks. So this will be hosted by Odisha, that is India. When it comes to the Junior Men's Hockey World Cup of 2021, so this Junior Men's Hockey World Cup, it will be held in 2021, that is by the India. So as you can see how exactly in 2016 the Uttar Pradesh Junior World Cup have been won by this. Next we have Women's Hockey World Cup of 2022, that will be held in Spain as well as Netherlands. If we take Women's World Hockey World Cup, that is 2022, will be held in Spain as well as Netherlands will be hosted Women's Hockey World Cup of 2022. When it comes to the Junior Women's Hockey World Cup of 2021, that will be held and that will be hosted in South Africa. So this is Junior Women's Hockey World Cup of 2021. So in juniors we have the age group at the under 17, and next it comes to the cricket. Let us see what exactly the World Cups we have. 7th ICC Men's T20 World Cup of 2021, that will be hosted by India, and 8th will be by the Australia. As you can see to the right side how exactly the Indians will be hosting this 2021 and 8th of Australia. Here we have 13th ICC Men's One Day International Cricket of World 2023, that will be hosted by India. As you can see to the right side how exactly he is handing over to the Indian. So this is 2023rd One Day International Cricket of 2023. When it comes to the ICC Champion Trophy of 2021, this ICC Champion Trophy of 2021, that will be hosted by India. So here we have next Asia's T20 Cricket 2021, that will be hosted by Sri Lanka. They are asking about Asia's Cup. It is something you have to remember. Next we have ICC Test Cricket World Championship of 2021, that will be hosted. This is actually Women's Championship. So that will be hosted by England. So I knew it, maximum whatever the questions we have, that you can directly go through the pictures and remember maximum. When it comes to the 8th ICC Women's T20 Cricket World Cup of 2023, that will be hosted by South Africa. As you can see to the right side how exactly it depicts. When it comes to the 12th ICC Women's One Day International Cricket, that is of 2022, that will be hosted by the New Zealand. So you can see to the right side, New Zealand will be hosting ICC One Day Internationals of Women's World Cup. When it comes to the athletics, we have to remember 18th World Athletic Championship of 2022, that will be hosted by, that is USA, that will be hosted in Eugene. So you can see to the right side, World Athletic Championship of Oregon, that is 2022. Next we have 19th World Athletics Championship of 2023, that will be hosted in Birmingham, that is in UK. We have here 37th National Games as well as 38th National Games. 37th will be 2021, that will be hosted in Chhattisgarh, and we have in Uttarakhand 2022. Here 4th Khelo India Games recently were held in Haryana. I want you guys to comment me in the section who won this 4th Khelo India Youth Games, who got the maximum medals in medal tally. Next we have Summer World University Games of 2021, that will be held in Chengdu, that is located in China. Summer World University Games. So please remember, this is one of the important questions. So these are the few important questions I have compiled from various sources. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any kind of queries, you can call me. I understand few questions are which cannot be, you may get one question related to football, related to cricket, and related to hockey. These are the few things which you have to remember. You will be asked in exams. Don't worry about the questions you will get or not. At least I want you guys to go through this. Tomorrow you get the question also. You should get it corrected by elimination method. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.